Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to open up a Lenovo All-in-One. This unit still got Windows 8. Now we'll start by the back end. You will see this is the stand that can kick out, where all your ports is located at the back. There's a screw on the left, screw on the right, and a screw here in the center. So if this panel comes off, you'll see here just underneath there's another screw. You're going to need a screwdriver. If there's any USB devices connected, just remove it. When you take the panel out, it's going to be in the way. So let's loosen the screw. Okay, when the screw is out, just put it one side. Then we're going to just lift up the cover, and now you will see there's two more screws. You have to remove these two screws as well. Let's remove the left hand screw. Okay, let's just put it aside. Let's do the right hand. And you will see after removing these screws, this back bracket will just come off. You can maybe just take it off at an angle. Let's also put a screw on the left. Okay, so it's going to slide out, pick up, slide back. There we go. Okay, we've got a screw on the left, screw on the right. Let's take out the screws so we can get this back panel open. If you need to replace the hard drive with a solid state or add more memory, we need to access the motherboard. So this cover we need to get off. Don't force anything, just make sure you remove all these screws that I've showed you. If you miss a screw, then you can break the panel or clips at the back. You will see there's a lot of clips there at the back. Okay. Now let's put this screw also aside. You see at the back is a gap where you can pick up this cover. If the screw doesn't want to come out, just give a bit of pressure on it, pick it up. There we go. Then the screw will just give way, and there we go. We're going to pick up the cover, and it also slides out. You'll see now. Just loosen the clips on the side, just slowly, and you're going to pick it up and pull. Now there's the back cover, everything is intact. Now this is where we want to be. You can see there's your DVD writer, CPU, fan, the hard drive that you want to get into, memory, everything is located just behind these covers. And there's a screw there that you can loosen. Let me show you quickly how it looks like under these covers. I want to clone the hard drive, and let's put that screw, a different size, put it on the left. Okay, this slides out to the left. There we go. There is your hard drive. This is going to be replaced with a solid state hard drive. This hard drive is faulty. Solid state at this side on the pins on the front and on the sides for you to fasten up your hard drive with the screws. Now this is the hard drive. I'm going to put it aside as well. Thank you for watching.